you see, I have this HP laptop which is working properly. As you see, everything is working. As you see, the power button is on, and also there is a light on the charger which shows that the charger is working properly. But the issue is on the screen. We have the black screen. There is no display there. So I want to show you how to fix this problem. So to fix this problem, there is some steps that we need to follow. So we want to start by doing what we call the power reset. So the power reset is another method that may solve this problem, the black screen problem. So for doing the power reset, you need to switch off the laptop first. Let us remove the power, then you press the power button so that you may switch off the computer. After switching off the computer, remove the battery. Right, after removing the battery, you may press the power button for at least 30 seconds so that you may solve the problems or the issues related to power settings. So you may press the button for at least 30 seconds. Right, so let us put the battery again, so that you may test if the problem is being resolved. Right, so we may press the power on button. So as we see, there is no change. May also have the black screen. So as we see, there is a light, a flicking light on the caps lock and also on the num key. So usually this light will indicate problems related to RAM or BIOS, but the easiest party to check is the RAM. So let us check the RAM, if the RAM is working properly or if the RAM is connected well. So let us switch off the computer to see if the RAM is connected properly. Yes, as you see, the RAM is connected properly, but we have two sockets. We have two RAM sockets, so we may change and plug it to another socket so that we may see if it is the problem on the socket. Right, let us see if it may post. Yes, as we see, there is no change. So I think the problem is on the RAM. The RAM is not working. So if the RAM is not working, you may change the RAM. So I think I have one to change. So let me switch off the machine so that I may be able to put another RAM that I may think it's working properly. Right, let me find another RAM. Right, yes, I have this RAM. So this machine supports DDR3. So there are some machines which support DDR4. So when you enter the RAM, you need to be very careful, because the problem of static electricity, it may also damage the RAM. So you may need to handle it properly. So let me try to put this RAM so that I may see, is it the RAM problem? Yes, let me switch it on. Yes, as we see, our machine is now working properly, now posting. So we have managed to solve this problem by just replacing the RAM. So if you may come across this problem, you may start by power reset. If it is not working, you may check if the RAM is connected properly, or you can easily replace the RAM. So this problem may also be caused by a BIOS. So you may easily update the BIOS or reload the BIOS. So for such kind of video, please subscribe to Search Online Academy. Thank you.